prop is 32 inches in diameter. Josh had to do some prop testing to get the plane, and every prop he tested set him back about $100. Using electric power, the airplane's extremely light, about 35 pounds for a 119-inch wingspan aircraft. So the scale is 40%, and this is the scale model of the extra 330 SC competition aircraft. Beautiful, Josh. You can really get a sense of the size of the airplane walked up to it. Nice. A nice bend at the recovery there. Plane's flying on a 160 amp ICE ESC using high-tech servos, high-tech Aurora guidance. This is the new generation of high-tech servo, which allows Josh to use one servo on the rudder of this giant airplane. Servo technology is moving so fast, we're now at 10,000 Thunder Power batteries. Plane this large, you could load it up to 1,000 milliamps, 20,000, it doesn't even feel it. Just how much flight time you want. Big aircraft, it was very majestic. And the snap to hover.
Yeah, he snapped something off.
The 3D Hobby Shop 119-inch extra. We also build that in 103-inch, 72-inch, 57-inch, and 47-inch sizes. So please take a look at 3dhobbyshop.com. Great job to Bone Doc.